got the
mysterious fathoms below.
Mysterious. Yeah. It's a bubble one.
Pull up on that lap bar for me, friend, and just make sure we don't do the bubbles inside here.
No problem.
Do the bubbles inside.
I'm not doing the bubbles inside, man. Look at this thing's cool. This camera is the coolest camera on earth. Scully.
Let me start at the middle. Wait, now, what am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it is.
Scully, yeah.
No, wait. I got an idea. I'll start at the beginning.
Scully. Just don't turn the bubbles on inside the run. Probably makes the right freak out. Underwater we go. Homie mover. Right? Whoa. There she is, Ariel. Hands. Very big hands. That shell in front of us.
You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those.
So cool. That's one of those movies.
Get your head out of the clouds and back
So
in the water
cool.
where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there.
Black lights. You know what that blowfish Oh, look at his clothes. Hey, look at clothes.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slay their way. While we be walking, put I be floating under the sea.
It's so cool. They use black lights.
The fish is happy. It's all the know if they rule. The fish on the land ain't happy. But they said goes the empty pool. But fish in the pool is lucky. They ain't for a worse of day. One day when they must get hungry, yes, you go beyond the prey. Oh no, under the sea. Under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in frequency. We went to that fish off the cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is so new, we got
Very light skills. Underwater snakes.
Ursula, help her. Poor Ariel. She swam this way. Said something about being in love
Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my home and rise down to knees, and I help them. Yes, I do. Aluga, Saluga, and wings of the Caspian Sea.
Caspian Sea.
Sightitis, next laryngitis,
Laryngitis.
to me.
Laryngitis.
I admit that in the past I've been a nasty.
Why still
They
make
were
that
kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Repentance and the life can lead a switch. Yes. Oh, unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate will be bedtime. She won't say a word. She won't say a word until you kiss me, girl.
Oh, it's so big, it's cute.
The poet's on.
Higher animatronic. Oh, that's scary when they look at you sometimes.
Scuttle, that's what she
Scuttle.
Everything worked out swell for Ariel.
Of course, sometimes I get a little cough.
It was so good to see you. We hope you had
No, I swear I said Scully.
to your left now.
He did say Scully.
Here you are. Hope you had a wonderful time.
Whatever.
Please step out